In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to manage fonts in PDF. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to manage your fonts in PDF using IronPDF. We are going to start with the NuGet Package Manager screen. I've already installed IronPDF, as you can see. If you haven't done so, you can do so using the NuGet Package Manager. We're going to move on to the program.cs file and get started with our console application. So first we have a region for the license key for IronPDF to be set. This, of course, is essential for accessing the full functionality of IronPDF. We're going to keep this hidden just for security reasons. So next we import the PDF document that we want to work with. In this example, we're using a PDF located at the sample.pdf. We created a PDF document object by calling pdfdocument.fromFile and then passing the file name as an argument. This step allows us to load the PDF into our application and making it ready for further manipulations. We then retrieve all the fonts used in the PDF. The fonts property of the PDF document gives us access to a collection of all the fonts. We store this collection in the PDF font collection variable named fonts. To display these fonts, we use a for each loop that iterates through each font in the collection and prints its name on the console. To specify a font by name, we define a string variable special font name with the name of the font that we are looking for. So in this case, it's going to be Helvetica. We then use this name to search in the fonts collection. If the font is found, we print its name to the console. And if it's not found, then we notify the user that it can't be found. Next, we'll demonstrate how to add a font to the PDF. We define a string variable, new font name, with the name of the font that we want to add. So in this case, it's going to be Arial. We then add this to the fonts collection of the PDF document and print a message on the console that the font has been added. Embedding a custom font is another essential task. We specify the path to the custom font file, read the font data in a byte array, and then add this data to the fonts collection. The last added font in the collection is the embedded font. We then embed this font into the PDF using the embed method, and then confirm the embedding by printing the font's name. We also have the option to unembed a font from the PDF. This part is commented out in the code, but you can activate it if you need to. Unembedding a font might be useful if you want to reduce the PDF size or just remove the font entirely. Replacing an existing font with another custom font is a feature that we'll demonstrate. We find the Helvetica font in the PDF and replace it with our custom font data. This replacement ensures that any instances of the original font in the PDF will be replaced with the new font. Finally, we save the modified PDF to a file named modified_sample.pdf at the specified path. And this ensures that all the changes that were made were written to the file. And then we, of course, have a message to confirm that the PDF was saved successfully. So let's go ahead and run the program and check out the output. So as you can see, the program ran successfully. The console output shows all the fonts retrieved from the PDF. It confirms the addition of the font and the embedding of a new font. It also verifies the replacement of the Helvetica font. And this final message confirms that the modified PDF has been saved to modified_sample.pdf. And that's it. You successfully learned how to manage fonts in PDF using IronPDF. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments below. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, we ask that you subscribe if you'd like some more videos from us. And if you haven't tried out IronPDF and you'd like to, you can go to our site, sign up for the trial subscription, download, install the package, and experience the power yourself. There's a link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out.